Let's make prints with a wooden block stamp. We will need white paper, wooden blocks, yarn or rubber bands, some paint, paintbrushes, and some tape. First, tape the end of the yarn to the back of the wooden block. And wrap your block with it. If you don't have any yarn, use recycled rubber bands instead. You can make stripes or crisscrosses. After wrapping it, tape the other end of the yarn to the block to prevent it from moving. Paint the yarn with the color that you want with a paintbrush. Turn your painted block over and start stamping the paper. Lift the block to see if the paint is good. If you like it, keep on stamping and make your pattern. How about changing the direction of your block each time you stamp it? Or trying different colors? Create your own design. Do you want to try it with me? It will be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!